Make a very fast paper airplane. Fold the two top corners down so it should look like this. Flip over the paper. Fold these two down so it should look like this. Fold the tip down so it should look like that. Flip it over. Fold the two top corners down. Flip it over. Fold it in half so it should look like, and to make the handle, fold that and this down. So it should look like this. But we're not done yet. Put it down. You should glue this and the other side down so they don't stick out. So I re-glued it. Fold it over to the top. Unfold this top part. So you're going to want to glue this. You're going to glue this down. So after you glue it, you put that inside it and start squeezing it so it will dry into it. After the glue is done drying, it should look like this with nothing sticking out. And I'll show you how fast it will go in a moment. Throwing now. Alright, I'm redoing that shot. I'm showing you right. Showing you right now.